watch you beat him again.
Hey, it's not right.
Ah, fair enough. That's
Alright.
that's usually the first choice anyway. So
Anyway,
So we got a rest. Is it successful?
yeah. Let's
Okay.
Nice. It's like
Back
a
to
short, long rest, right?
a
4
what?
hours.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
No, it's a long rest. Yes?
So a long, short rest.
The shortest
As
long
you
rest.
make it sound confusing as fuck, bro.
It's a medium rest, okay?
Yeah, it's the medium rest.
Is
It's
it a
just
new day?
Yes.
medium rest factually better than the long rest.
Yes, it's a long rest. No.
yeah, it's a long rest.
No, yeah.
No,
No.
Yeah, no.
yeah, no, I mean, yes.
Yes. And
Mm-hmm. Oh wait, let me that's me.
Oh, he's back.
Running out of rations. Let's go.
We
I
got
have
plenty.
29.
I have enough for now, and then I'm out.
Just eat a grung. Frog
Oh,
legs.
We have rations in the bag of holding.
You're gonna eat that
thank
guy?
you. I don't have to starve to death.
I gave him all my rations.
How many we have? We have like 100 in the bag of holding.
I think so.
Holy.
If we ever lose that, we lose all those rations. And the bag itself is the most valuable thing, though. The bag is probably more valuable than any items inside of it.
Yeah. Probably.
I'm going to grab 20 of those.
Technically, I think the decanter's in there.
Yeah, we do have a
The
decanter.
counter's like
that's
mega
fine.
nerfed here, right? Like it's like not worth anything in this campaign.
Fortune.
Just haven't found the right buyer yet.
It's true.
Someone's gonna get desperate.
Oh, my next character's campaign takes place in the desert, by the way.
Oh really? The decanter
Yeah.
has to have value, right?
Has to.
I feel like your campaign's gonna be like all about scamming people.
Could be. I have no idea.
those are some details we'll be working out once his campaign's coming up.
All right.
Okay.
How
So-
many 5 years once my child enters puberty?
Hold on. All right. So,
I'll give him the talk before my arc.
oh god. So, all that's left is go to this waterfall place, but to even start making your way there, a survival check is needed. But it's a lot easier because Haleth is helping lead the way. So, make a survival check. See how many encounters are skipped.
Baby.
Bro said I'm good.
All right. There will only be one encounter.
I was gonna roll.
Oh, that would have been an interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, let's not do
Alright.
that one.
I was
Alright,
so close to clicking the button before Street got to. He
Hey,
was slow on the alt click.
Won't matter. Always been me guiding.
Depends how generous Mark was.
All right. So, yeah, you guys are over here. Eventually, you're led to the waterfall. And Caliph says, all right, behind the waterfall should be an entrance to a cave.
Ooh, that's a cool map too.
But
What's
yeah,
the
it's just like
question?
Pirates of the Caribbean 4, 5.
All right. I'll walk up calmly to Hargrave, and I shove a sardine down his throat.
The hell?
Huh?
Huh?
I said, "Don't fight it."
Or are you applying this to me directly? What the hell?
Did it work?
Huh?
I think you
Yeah.
have to trade it to him, and then he has to apply it to himself.
No, I'm pretty sure he has it on him.
No, it
definitely
got
works.
applied to me.
Oh, nice. Okay.
The hell?
Damn.
You've been force fed.
Against my will?
Yeah.
He-
Damn,
I
I,
man.
I
had no
set up
choice
I
but
set
to
up
roll well.
potions so that you can also feed them to someone else. Actually,
That makes sense.
Oh,
Makes sense. You can force feed potions.
how did if
I
you
throw
get
it up.
throated?
If I throw it up, will I lose the buff?
it depends. Some potions are like you have to target things, which doesn't have to be yourself. It could be something that's next to you. But some potions they just automatically use it on yourself. Anyways, yeah. So it's the way to the waterfall. What do you guys do?
I cast greater invisibility on myself with my spell scroll. Oh wait, no, it's only a minute. I did it too late. I did it anyways. I said, "Let's go, run."
Okay. Say thank you for guiding us. We'll take it from here.
Are you saying you don't want me to join you?
So okay, you can join. We're just stay away from the combat.
Ah, I see.
Let's step onto the water.
Step onto the water, and you are able to walk on it due to Bristol's spell.
Nice.
We can
Say-
walk in water.
So this is the perfect time to fish.
That's true.
Let's go.
You guys really want?
I don't know about that
So,
one, buddy.
You know what? Let's fish on the way back.
What if we long rest aside? We're wasting.
True.
Oh,
Well, he's going for it.
yo!
Bro,
Oh my god.
You
All
got
right,
it.
I'm walking away from the table.
I love, I love how your your invisibility broke, and you got a potion of invisibility.
Perfect balance.
Perfectly balanced as all things. Alright, let's. I look behind the waterfall.
Okay.
Is this
So
a
behind
fun
the
software
waterfall,
game or is it?
So you see a door.
Oh shit.
It has a medieval styled handle to it. It is very old, very rigid, and very dusty. It's hard to even make out that it's a door, just because of how old and unmaintained it is. You wonder if it's even able to be opened normally.
I attempt to open it.
Roll a wisdom save.
Wisdom save.
Hmm.
Yeah, we probably should have just glued that thing shut. So wise.
All right. So, you felt that some kind of a magical effect was attempted to be placed onto you, but you steel your mind with all the different things you've already dealt with, and you push through, and you're able to open the door
Nice.
without being harmed.
Pretty good. So, et voila. I step on in.
Does everyone follow?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I have to?
No.
You don't have to.
Oh, yeah, no. Just,
Alright, I do anyways.
Okay. Since I'm controlling the NPC, I'm gonna have somebody else control Hargrave. Let's see who gets to play as Hargrave today. I'm gonna choose randomly.
Aw.
Wait,
God.
what do you mean Hargrave? You mean Potem
Potem
Pack?
Pack.
Or opposite
Oh.
faction. I'm so used to David being gone. All right, you're playing.
Wow, me? Oh my god. Okay.
it's probably better than me because I have no clue what to do.
You
I mean,
grab
either.
and you throw shit.
Oh,
You
shit.
grapple them and then you beat them up. Sometimes you dodge. All right.
Sometimes you action search to dash after you grab them.
True.
Or action search to dodge.
Also true.
Sometimes you just action surge just to do damage.
I've never
Sometimes-
seen him do that. Maybe that's a Mark thing.
But sometimes the action surge just to feel something inside, you know.
Wait, what?
Just to hear the sound.
And just
Oh.
just to feel alive, you know.
All right. So when you guys step inside, oh, and unfortunately for you, it is 10 feet tall, within
Alright,
the.
well, it's 5 feet in there then.
What is the point? I guess unless you fly over people, I guess.
Yeah, then it's not rough terrain.
All right.
But
Sure.
I'm 6 feet tall.
I mean, I'll just I guess I'll just kick you in the face.
It's rough
better,
terrain.
better.
Hey, Mutas was in the party. It wouldn't matter. So tall.
My head is rough terrain. Right. Let's go. We're in some
See,
top
but
turbulence.
your hair can't be rough terrain because you already cleaned up, bro.
Yeah,
It's true,
but
it's smooth terrain now.
The
Oh,
smooth
shit.
terrain?
Oh no.
So you get double speed?
True. Did you gel it? Can I slide on there?
What are the rules of piggyback in D&D?
Carrying? I guess it's. I think you have half movement speed.
Alright, someone go first.
Alright, Thristle.
Clearly not the elves.
Alrighty. Are these light sources suspiciously lit?
Are there stairs around us? Like, can we go up them?
Yeah, you can go up them or down
Okay.
them.
Ooh,
I guess we can explore this floor first.
yeah,
Ooh,
let's
but
check
there's
out
treasure
the
over
grocery
here.
floor.
There is?
As soon as
I
you
don't
said
wanna touch it.
treasure, everyone just started going.
That's kind of sus.
Use your mage hand on it.
It's okay, dude. Just ignore the fact that there's some random arrow on the floor trying to point towards it.
Nah, we don't need it.
Since I control
should-
Potem Pack, he's basically my mage hand now, right? I can just send
Correct.
him.
True,
That's
true,
true.
true, true.
Alright.
So true.
Alright, we'll go down the stairs.
I see a
Totally not
bloodstained
suspicious
chest.
arrow. That's gonna get
Alright,
us all
sure.
killed.
I will mage hand the chest. What happens?
There's treasure.
Oh, okay. Alright, go ahead, street. It's clean.
Dude,
Potion
it's
of
like how
superior
it is
healing
Elden
and
Ring so
mass
far
mass
where.
healing word.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
I'll let you guys decide how to distribute that.
Do you, if you want to,
I'll take a potion. The mass healing word is.
Mass healing.
There's three of them.
I'll take one. I
and-
don't have mass healing word. I have mass cure wounds.
Okay.
I'll take one.
So,
Well,
mass
oh,
healing.
what,
Don't
I can't use it, so someone should take two.
Okay. Well, you take two, Thistle, and I'll take one.
okay.
Because I already have it learned, but I want one.
That's a lot of healing stuff I'm giving you guys.
Yeah, totally
Yeah.
not suspicious. Never.
That room looks safe. You should go check it out, really.
All right, I'll take. How about the potions? You guys think the potions? I already have two.
Put it back. Guess can take that one.
Gotta wait for more people to come here.
Yeah, because there's still two more potions in there. A superior healing. Move my spell score down a little bit.
I don't have any potions of superior healing.
Okay. Yeah, take one.
There's still one more in there.
Mm-hmm. That was kind of sus, bro.
So yeah, as you get
I'll say
closer
better.
and closer, the sound of bubbling gets louder and louder.
Can I do a perception check to see if there's any danger within the bubbles?
Okay. Sure.
I'll guidance myself. Why is it not working? Alright.
It's a liquid substance to show you can do walk on the water.
How's it looking?
See here. I just double check quick. So you definitely notice that there's nothing necessarily in the bubbling liquid. However, you notice that the bubbling liquid itself seems to move suspiciously.
Can you have Funpack turn on his lantern?
Sure.
Oh,
Let me
that's a
find
good
it.
call.
I can do it for you. Here you go.
Good call.
Alright. Is anything will be
No. So the bubbly liquid itself seems to move suspiciously. It's almost like
Mm,
I'm gonna. Can I cast a mage hand into the bubbly water? See what happens.
sure.
Alright.
what kind of slime is this one?
So when it gets
I just
close
like.
enough,
Yeah, go ahead.
when it gets close enough, the bubbly liquid seems to snatch up the hand and consume it.
Mm, okay. Well, like how close when it was like here or like right over the water
Pretty
as the
much like
liquid?
right here, like right along the water.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. Maybe this is time to throw the glue in there. I'm just kidding.
maybe we should just walk back and just let it lie.
Yeah, we could. There's a door over here too, but yeah, we could
Um,
also just ignore it.
Um, Well, now you mentioned a door, I've changed.
We open the door, just looking pours out.
It's up to you guys.
Hmm.
You come back to
Uh,
this.
we could always come back to it too.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I honestly, I don't know how to get through the water effectively
Mm.
or like deal with it.
A couple of ideas, but yeah, I think it's easier to deal with what we know first.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of an unknown there.
Would freedom of movement work on the bubbles?
That one we're not really sure what it is. Like I feel like the whole thing might just be like a big slime or something.
Yeah, probably.
I hope
Or,
they grab you.
Called the ooze.
I think oozes are slimes too, right?
Like no, the gelatinous cube. That's one.
Mm.
Oh, I see.
Mm.
Basically, I see acid and I fear for our magic items.
And this one is not lit?
That one is not lit compared to all of the other ones.
Hmm. Okay. I take a torch and light it with the light from the other.
Yeah, I'll grab a stick and then just transfer the fire over, I guess.
What happens?
So you light the brazier ablaze. Nothing special happens. It's not some kind of puzzle.
No Zelda tango?
No.
Yeah.
We start hitting the walls.
Start rolling
Wait.
into the walls.
I say, all right. Clearly, we have to put out the other 3 braziers and leave that one lit.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. I mean, you can roll other things too, right? Like investigation, perception, like just to study like how suspicious it is, if you like.
Can I roll perceptions, like see if I notice anything in this room?
In the room. So not about the brazier, but the room.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, um, so when you look into this room, you see that there are flowers and vines that seem fairly well maintained, despite the fact that this whole thing has been laid dormant for years upon years.
Hmm.
But
It's kind of counterintuitive. If this place has been left alone so much, why are the plants thriving so well? I mean, there is some light coming through from the top, but that doesn't even make sense either. You're in a cave. Where's the light coming from?
I look up.
You look up, and it just seems like the light comes from nothing. It's some kind of strange sorcery at play. Some kind of magic you've never seen before.
I perceive an illusion.
What was that?
So I tried to I tried to dispel an illusion.
If you have like you have something that dispels illusions.
Well, like first I tried to like use my perception to see if anything looks weird about the room or no.
Yeah, like these are the weird things you're seeing. But if
Okay.
you're asking if there's a magic illusion at play, you don't perceive it.
I do have a spell, dispel magic,
I don't know if it's
but
this
I don't want to dispel them like an actual magic. You know, I just want to dispel the illusion magic, so it feels like
uh
It's not ideal.
Yeah, it might as well be like an actual real light
Yeah,
that's magical. Then you end up just putting it away.
yeah. Okay. Well, button pack. Go step on it. Go step on it. The this room. If anything weird
No.
happens.
He goes in.
Those are pretty good, Edgar.
So, we weren't expecting that answer, were you?
Where's the greenskins?
Alright.
Yeah, pretty much.
I go to Kayla. Say, have you seen anything like this before?
No. But I do think it's quite clever to make your own light. Enough to sustain the plants here. Whoever set this up definitely wanted to maintain these plants at the least. And the nearby water source, it's conveniently set up like a stream.
This is just water, right?
Yeah, it's just water.
Can I make a nature check on these plants?
What are you looking at them for?
I want to figure out what they are.
What they are? Okay, sure. So, you've never seen these before, so it's hard to tell what they are because you've never seen them before. But as for what properties you try to discern from them, they're not poisonous in nature. They're not harmful in nature either. They're simply meant for display, really. But they smell awful.
You smell awful.
Yes.
I eat them.
They look pretty and presentable, but they do smell terribly.
I eat them. Do I get to roll a new character now?
You wanna eat them?
Yeah, guys, actually just like eating.
Yeah, do it. Just
I
instantly
don't
die.
think you die that fast from eating. Like, I did say they're
Eat.
non-poisonous, whatnot. So,
Eats a lot.
They could be venomous.
okay.
Well, then
alright.
they'd have to sting me.
You bite it from the inside.
This is what 1,000 ways to die. You eat them and nothing happens, but they taste pretty bad.
Alright. I say these taste like shit.
Okay. So, let's see. Anyone else doing anything?
Guess I'll examine the water. Anything seems odd about it.
Okay. Well, before you, so as you're examining the water, right, Bristol, as soon as you're the last one to step into the room,
I messed up, guys. I messed up. I shouldn't have stepped in.
the
Killed us all.
a sudden response happens to the pathway behind you. A sudden flash of light occurs, and a strange, transparent Hulk seems to show up. It's very, very big. It's very vicious looking. It looks like this.
Amazing.
And on the other side, another one appears as well at the north. So they're on both sides.
Hey, where did it come from?
Where did they come? A flash of light happens, and then they just show up.
Yo, pet is fucking us.
Please.
It's the thing, right? The story thing.
I knew he wasn't to be trusted.
Tad. Wow, he's fast. The other one is so slow. The duality, man.
Perfectly balanced.
Alright, well, this guy's gonna go right here,
Nice.
and
Allowed to react to that.
yeah, you can.
So I think the game's still paused.
Oh shit, my bad. Here you go.
This one. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So, as for the way that they appeared, to describe it, Ashton, the flash of light when you saw it, it seemed to resemble a star, and the star kind of exploding a bit, and then these guys showed up.
Did a
There
Lebanon
was-
live?
All right. Anyways, this guy's gonna use something called Reaping Arm. Okay,
That doesn't sound
He's
good.
Christ.
and it's gonna try to target. Wait, what? Okay. It's gonna try to target all of you guys.
Oh, it does a 360?
It does a 360.
Garen.
Scary.
Meat spin.
They were all prone.
Not I.
Huh?
Ew. Only one person passed. Holy.
All right, so all of you guys are.
If I had, oh my
prone.
god, my -1 to Dex actually cooked me. Jesus Christ.
I guess same thing with
Or
military.
the
Wait.
+1 to charisma.
Oh wait, no, I have -2 to Dex. I'm so.
All right. So and on top of that, it's going to do a multi attack. Why isn't it not linking? Fuck.
The wobble combo.
Okay, well, it's gonna make 2 slam attacks. It's gonna choose one of the prone targets. So let's see here. The Hargrave.
So appropriate. The song with the water here.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, it's choosing Potent Pack. It'll
That's
do a
crazy.
slam.
Uh, 28. Holy shit. I want to react to that. Hold on.
It has advantage because of the prone.
Okay, I'll just. Yeah, I'll just take it.
All right. And it'll do another slam.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. So, Potent Pack, you're hit twice in the head, and you start to feel a concussion taking place. Roll a Constitution saving throw.
Oh, it's a opponent back's got this. Easy.
All right, you're fine. All right, that was it.
Do I know what this Reaping Arm debuff is?
It's just you just got knocked prone. That was it.
But I can get back up.
Yes, you can. Or you can choose to stay down if you want.
Sounds like a good idea.
What was that?
Okay. If I stay down, you can't hit me again, right? You can't do that. You can't,
Oh, yeah.
You
If
can't
stay
make me
down, he can't
prone.
hit you.
If I'm already prone.
Yeah, it's like Snake in Brawl.
Exactly.
And it's like Snake in Smash. You know, like it's hard to hit you when you're prone.
Can you do me a favor and step over here? And then
What?
step back.
What? I don't know about that one.
Yeah, you can do it yourself.
Okay. So his
17
AC is at least 16 LR.
Barely injured. Okay, so quite a bit of quite yes, quite a bit of HP. If the 23 got it to barely. Let me see, it's over 100 HP. Oh, this will give me more data. 41 damage took it to lightly. So
Bro, I have
41 was at least 25%. So yes, probably between somewhere between probably like 120 to like 170 HP, I'm guessing. That's a lot of HP. If I had that much HP, that'd be great.
same thing.
So we all wish we had put him back to HP.
Oh yeah.
They actually try to keep track of their HP, James. Now that I
No,
rolled them randomly.
not for regular encounters like this. I only really keep track of DCs and ACs and HP on like major fights.
I see.
What if this is one and we just don't know it?
Yeah, but
It's
there probably
true.
wouldn't be two of them if it's like a major fight.
But what if after we defeat them, they combine into a bigger one?
There's a lot of black shadow around this room. I mean, the walls could just open up and there could be 50 of them.
That's
Shit.
true.
Well, that's true. That
What if they have an ability to like possess one of us and then we have to fight each other?
oh no, please don't choose sword pack.
What if they get really small and go inside one of our asses?
Oh, then I guess we'll play new characters.
What the-
Let's go.
No, I mean, just
character.
what if they try? You gotta do like a dex check to like squeeze your ass or something.
What if they don't get small and still get in our ass?
Oh no.
Just eat a lot of Taco Bell, you'll get them out.
Yeah, I gotta eat the
Yeah,
Indian
that's
Mexican
funny.
fusion. It gets something out.
Yeah, you'll drown them.
You gotta use that glue to glue your cheeks.
do I have
and get in.
combat?
No, yeah, that's true. You glue your asshole shut, and then you fart, and it's gonna like blow them up from the inside.
Oh, you gas them in.
Yeah,
You
it's
gas
like
them in.
it's an organic gas chamber. Homemade.
And that's how I killed the BBEG.
I assure you, Riza, this is totally what we're like all the time.
I mean,
Well,
yeah.
pretty much so. So
Unironically.
What'd you use?
Me?
Yeah.
I just saw conjure animal.
Was it just
But
level 3?
giant snake. Yeah. But then I also turned into a giant scorpion.
I really don't want to get hit, but I also want to do something.
Hello?
Alright, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna take a OA.
You did not take an OA.
Alright.
oh, reach.
Alright. Do I take an OA
Now, now you take an OA.
That's crazy.
Well, let's move you back over here first. So,
now? Alright.
Oh, I said try to grab your cheeks.
Okay, I
Right.
guess I definitely take it.
That's not that bad.
That's quite the name, Star Spawn.
Sounds like a new Marvel comic.
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm?
yeah, like for
There-
real.
There's one where the Hulk becomes the herald for Thanos.
You mean Galactus?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
There's one where he's offered the job, but he's like, actually, I'm the one below all. I kill everybody. It's fine.
I mean, Galactus just needs to make a Squirrel Girl the Herald. They'll conquer anything.
Oh my god. 5 sucks.
You know who actually became Thanos in the one where the Hulk ate everything? Treat?
Hmm.
The guy who never
Thanos?
dies. Yeah, in the next
Oh.
Marvel multiverse, it's the guy who never dies.
No, he
Remember?
kills him.
No, he doesn't. He becomes Thanos.
Or no, but
And that-
but he does kill him anyway.
He kills him, but he comes back. He can't die.
No, like the one below all like mentions like all of the ones that are like supposed to live forever, and he's like, actually they don't though, because smile, I absorbed their powers.
Yeah, but he was wrong because he becomes the next Thanos. Like he's the only living being at the end of the
Well-
everything.
No, like, he like everything does go away, except for like this alien species, like on another like dimension from like far away, and then like they echo out like this tiny little voice that like resets the situation and starts it over again, um and then the Hulk just chooses differently, and then that changes the
I'll
course of
use
history. It's really stupid.
There's one of these.
I believe that. I heard the ending was really bad.
This is a bonus action.
It's like actually the one below all is also the one above all the whole time.
Point to the scorpion and point to
Oh, he's
point
the
to this
bloody,
screaming boy.
Malcolm.
Alright, I'm going.
That's you to sting, I guess.
Yeah. Big.
Jesus Christ.
He
What the-
succeeds
wait.
and still takes 26, baby.
Holy crap! Is that potentially 40 damage right there? Hey,
You know. And
what the what the fuck?
This isn't even your full power.
Oh, I see. Oh, why is it so wise?
So was.
So calm and focused.
Use these reactions already. Maybe just walk here. Now. Right here might be okay.
All right. Um. I'm gonna get out from prone, go back into the air. No, this guy already uses
Oh,
reaction,
shit,
right?
I forgot to get off of pro. No wonder he was giving me some error messages.
Yeah, you probably just removed it. I assume you did. All
You can stay
right.
prone if you want.
Nah, I'm okay. Thanks for the offer.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna try to banish the further one.
Sure.
Sayonara muchacho.
Pretty good.
Peace.
Is
Yo,
he
so-
native to this plane?
Is he what?
Is he native to a different plane of existence, or is it? Like,
He better
He
be,
is
bro.
not
Just
from
spawn.
this plane.
okay,
Yo.
I'll just leave him. I'll just. Can we just get rid of him then?
Well, you have to
I mean,
concentrate.
you might
if
lose
you
yeah, I
want
have to-
to,
concentration.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I have to wait for the 1 minute. All right.
Yeah.
I used to have half my speed to do this. Yeah.
Fuck.
Okay. Um. Yeah, I think that's. Should I? Yeah, no, I think that's fine.
Did we banish the hag? I don't remember.
We,
don't
we
think
did,
so.
and then we brought her back like once we all prepped everything,
Ah,
and then we did a spinning pile driver into an RKO. It's glorious.
I'll use a giant smite as a bonus action.
That sounds
I like
amazing.
how it was a simple yes or no question straight, and you had to bring in the.
I have to, bro. I have to.
Actually,
It was
I'll move over here and block
one of
the
the
door.
most memorable. It was one of the most memorable moments because the RKO was from a fucking T-Rex.
Oh, and did you see Wings of Redemption powerbomb his wife on YouTube?
What? No. What the fuck? No, I did actually. Was it the live stream where like Boogie was
Yeah.
there too? Yeah, no,
Yeah.
actually it did. I like how I know exactly what you're talking about. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that shit was. I can't believe that stream even exists. It was like the most, like, it's just, it's just sad.
It was so boring until that happened, and then it got good.
I see. I only saw that one clip. Okay, I'm gonna attack the Dwarven Thrower.
I was waiting so long for Wings to get fired, and it finally happened. Now I can eat. Gonna be
Oh,
eating good.
Alright, I'm gonna do another attack with the Dwarven Thrower.
Dwarven throw.
Wait, can I keep adding the 1d6 from the Giant Smite? I think it's only once, right? Yeah,
Isn't it
only
once per turn?
Yeah, once per turn. So I'm gonna say no. And then I think Edgar, since he has dual wielder, I can attack with a bonus, right, on my offhand. Or is that how it
Yeah.
works? Okay.
I mean, technically, you've always been able to. It's more dual wielder's more there for
It moves like
the
your buff.
AC and also being able to swap weapons with both hands.
I
Like,
see.
yeah.
So he has like 2 main attacks and then 1 extra attack, or
2 main
oh, wait, no,
attacks.
but
one
he
bonus.
already. Well, he already used his bonus action on Giant Smite, so maybe that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Well, I mean, I think that's fine. I just have him as Giant Smite to plug the doorway.
The rare moments that you see him actually attacking.
I mean, what? Like, I assume we're trying to kill it.
Have you
Alright,
tried
well-
talking to it?
You can.
You can certainly try.
Look at it. Like it's weird. Like the face on the token, it doesn't do anything for me. But like seeing the face on the turn tracker is funny. For the spawn Hulk.
I wonder why that is.
Yeah, like, isn't it? Like, is it the same for you?
Yeah, I think it's because the white highlights are less.
Yeah. Maybe that's it. The negative space.
We can see more of his teeth.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's what it is. I'll take it.
I was gonna try to polymorph this guy into a rat, but I'm glad the guy with all the spell slots did it instead.
I used half my spell slots on that.
Oh shoot. We gotta like put another spell in the bag of holding. I mean not the bag in the bag of whispers.
Oh yeah, whoops.
Get on that, Brelin.
Is there nothing in there now, or
Yeah, I used it.
You get all your spell slots back when you just take a cat nap, or?
for me? Yeah,
Yeah.
because I'm a warlock, but I only have 2 spell slots.
Oh wait,
Warlocks
that's the
get
wrong
most of their
one.
stuff back on a short rest.
Well, it might actually honestly be better for you then, and then I'll just
That's
cat
the
nap
wrong.
you in street.
What would be
I
better
mean, I
on me?
missed anyway.
Are you talking to Owen?
Or wait, so like, what would be better on me?
Oh, I was wondering if we were gonna put something in the bag of whispers, if it was better for you to cast a spell
Oh,
and then
yeah,
I
yeah.
cast a.
Oh yeah, I mean, I usually put polymorph in there.
I'll just
I
take
just
the
didn't do
miss,
it last time
whatever,
because I
extra
forgot.
button.
Gotcha.
Alright. Oh, he's near death? Okay. I'll get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna miss. Because I don't have defense right now. I'm getting him though.
20.
Oh! Easy.
Nice. Okay. Are you guys fine with just letting the other one be banished?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, fuck that. We're not trying to farm EXP like
I think
that.
that's it then, Mark. I'll just let like a minute pass and then I can end the concentration.
All right, let's skip our turns until one. No, I'm kidding.
That's 10 rounds, guys.
Nice. That spell
here.
is so good.
All right, let's end the session here.
Alright, sounds good.